What's up guys? Kamusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about Metrobank credit card credit limit converting into cash. Kumbaga, pag-uusapan natin yung fees and charges, sample computation, at the same time, kung ano yung terms and conditions. Kumbaga, ano yung dapat yung tandaan kapag plano nyong mag-convert ng credit limit nyo sa Metrobank credit card nyo into cash. In short, cash to go. So magkaiba ito guys ha sa cash advance kasi yung cash advance automatic nyo siya maa-access. Ito naman kasi may process. Pero bago yun nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa po akong i-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So as you can see guys, Metrobank, you're in a good hands. Ang ganda ng tagline nila no. Cash to go, the life you want starts now. Take a turn in the right direction by converting your unused credit limit to cash. Yung cash to go feature ng Metrobank credit card guys is mas maganda siya compared to cash advance. Kasi sa cash advance mataas yung interest, 3% yun. Tapos in every transaction, 200 pesos siya in every transaction. Ito naman kasi si cash to go guys, ano siya, minimal lang yung magiging interest niya. Yung pinakamataas is 1%. Tapos minsan nagpo-promo pa, minsan 0.45 lang. Kaya it's a good idea na mag-cash to go na lang kayo kung balak nyong i-convert yung credit limit ninyo into cash. So ito guys, yung sample computation kumbaga. Papakita ko muna yung monthly add-on rate. So itong pinakita ko guys is yung regular monthly add-on rate nila which is 1%. Kasi ito yung kumbaga and every time na kailangan mo, 1% agad yun. Tapos minsan kapag nag-promo 0.45, 0.49, 0.55, magandang idea yun. At least makakasave kayo ng mas malaki. Kasi ito, sa 3 months, 1%. So magiging effective annual interest rate is 17%. Then, skip na natin guys. Dito tayo ng sample computation. So, halimbawa guys, balak nyong mag-convert ng credit limit nyo into cash amounting to 50,000. So, nakikita nyo dito guys, loan amount sa 12 months, 4,666.67 yung magiging monthly amortization sa 1 month. Sa 18 months naman, yung 50,000 is 3,277.78. Sa 18 months yon. So kung mapapansin nyo dito guys, habang tumatagal nyo siya babayaran, mas lumiliit yung monthly amortization niya. Which is, kapag nahihirapan kayong bayaran, it's a good idea na choose the longest terms of payment. Up to 5 years siya actually. But the problem is guys, maliit nga yung magiging monthly amortization, matagal-tagal nyo siya iindahin, tapos mas malaking imposed interest yung ipapatong doon. Kasi syempre, it's a business. So, mas maliit yung monthly amortization kasi mahaba nyo siya babayaran, mas malaki yung magiging interest. Ang problema naman kasi guys, kapag iniksian nyo lang yung terms of payment, 3 months lang, 6 months, malaki yung magiging monthly at medyo mabigat siya sa bulsa. Kaya doon naman yung nagko-complicate, kaya kailangan yung i-analyze yung financial situation nyo. If afford nyo namang bayaran in a shorter period of time, about 6 months, afford nyo bayaran yung monthly amortization, you should go for that in order for you to free yourself from debts as early as now. Pero kung hindi nyo afford, i-analyze nyo yung situation nyo, much better na kumuha kayo ng mas longer yung afford nyo para hindi kayo mahihirapan. Kasi kapag hindi nyo na kayang bayaran, syempre may mga penalties and charges yan, mas malulubog kayo sa utang. Kaya as early as now, before kayo mag-decide, before nyo i-convert yung credit limit nyo, alamin nyo muna kung kakayanin nyo ba siya bayaran buwan-buwan sa terms of payment na yung pipiliin. Then ngayon, proceed tayo guys sa fees and charges. Sa fees and charges guys, the moment na nag-apply kayo ng cash to go sa Metrobank, automatic yung 350 kapag na-approve na yung application mo. Plus, the existing interest. Maliban sa 350, may add-ons pa yan. Kasama dun yung interest rate, kung 1% talaga. So, yun yung ipapatong doon. At saka, i-deduct yun ng buo sa credit limit ninyo. Kaya mag-ingat kayo guys, kung balak nyo mag-convert ng credit limit nyo into cash, make sure na dapat alamin nyo muna yung credit limit ninyo. Tapos, kayo mismo muna magkwenta. Kwentahin nyo muna. Tapos, halimbawa kung magkano yung monthly add-on interest, tapos plus yung 350 na processing fee, then, i-add nyo lahat yun sa loob ng ilang buwan. Halimbawa, yung balak nyo is 6 months, tapos yung ilo-loan nyo is 50,000. So, 1% times 1%, 50,000 times 1%, yung result niyan is i-times nyo sa 6 months. Tapos, plus 50,000 yung mangyayari dyan. Then, i-divide nyo sa 6 months. Yun yung magiging monthly amortization ninyo. Tapos, i-check nyo kung kakayanin nyo bayaran buwan-buwan yung monthly amortization, then you should go for that terms of payment. Kung hindi, you should choose 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, up to 5 years. Ganun lang naman siya kasimple. Then ngayon, let's talk about Cash to go terms and conditions. All principal and supplementary credit holders of Metrobank, Peso, Visa, Mastercard, Classic Gold, Metrobank Vintage Visa. Actually, lahat ng klase ng credit card ni Metrobank, guys, is qualified siya para hindi na tayo matagalan dito. Then next is, to avail of the Cash to Go installment program, Cash to Go, cardholders may contact Metrobank's contact center. So, andyan yung contact number nila, guys. Using your landline phone, tawagan nyo yung number na yan, tapos kausapin mo yung customer service na magpapakonvert kayo ng credit limit nyo into cash. Prepare yourself kasi magkakandak sila ng verification, tatanungin yung last 6 digits ng credit card ninyo and others details. Kaya naman dapat prepare kayo. Tapos kung wala kayong landline, guys, kung hassle sa inyo na tumawag pa sa customer service, pwede naman kayo mag-apply via Metrobank application lang. Next natin, guys, is the required minimum transaction amount in pesos is 6,000 pesos. Yun yung minimum amount na kailangan yung i-transact or ipa-convert into cash kapag mag-avail kayo. Kasi below 6,000, hindi siya i-approve. Hindi sila papayag. Kasi 6,000 above. Kumbaga minimum yung 6,000. Tapos yung maximum, yung pinakamalaki, kung magkano yung available credit limit ninyo. Halimbawa, 1 million. 1 million. Okay lang, ganun. All cash to go applications shall be subject to a verification and approval by Metrobank and will be processed within 5 business days. So, hindi siya sure ma-approve, guys, ha? Kasi dumadaan siya ng verification, evaluation, baka kasi mag-expect kayo, ganun-ganun. Pero kung okay naman, wala naman kayong problema doon, sure na ma-approve yun. Kaya there's nothing to worry about. Kaya naman, ingatan nyo yung credit score ninyo sa kanila or kung paano mo gamitin yung credit card ninyo. At saka ito, a cash to go application may no longer be canceled once approved. So kapag nag-apply kayo tapos na-approve, hindi nyo na pwedeng i-cancel yun, guys. Kaya naman make sure na kapag nag-apply kayo, fixed yung mindset ninyo. So yung Metrobank is not obliged to inform nominated deposit account holder. So sinasabi dito, guys, is hindi kayo ino-notify ni Metrobank kung na-credit na yung pera. So it's your responsibility to check kung pumasok na yung pera kasi hindi nila kayo i-notify. A non-refundable processing fee of 350 pesos shall be charged for all approved applications. Tulad ng sinabi ko, 350 pesos yung charge in every approved transactions at hindi siya refundable. The total installment amount inclusive of total interest amount must not be exceed the principal cardholder available credit limit at the time the cash to go application. So tulad ng sinabi ko, kailangan nyo muna magkwenta kung kakayanin ng credit limit ninyo kasi sayang naman yung effort ng pag-apply nyo kung ma-decline kayo kasi insufficient yung credit limit ninyo. Should the cardholder accelerate the payment and cancel the installment contract? So, ito naman, guys, sinasabi dito kung gusto mong tapusin agad, like may pera ka na, gusto mo ng bayaran para wala ka ng problema, ito yung magiging payment nyo, guys. Parang may charge siya. Pre-termination fee is 550 pesos plus 5% of the remaining principal balance. Kung magkano yung natitirang principal balance, 5% nun plus 550 pesos plus kung magkano yung principal balance. Ito total lahat yun yung babayaran mo. Approved cash to go application shall not be eligible to earn rewards points. So, lahat ng na-approve na cash to go application, hindi po siya mag-earn ng points, guys, ha. Baka kasi may sinasabi, may hinahabol kayong spending requirements o tapos gamitin nyo yung cash to go para maabot nyo yun. Hindi po ganun. Hindi po yun counted. So, I think that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. It's me again, Joseph Kate. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Bye-bye!